Okay, Low Fruits came out with their Black Friday sale, and I'm going to go over the pricing as well as some of the features that they included and they improved on. So, first things first, for the pay as you go credits, you get 40% off, which means you can get into Low Fruits as low as 15 bucks for 2,000 credits, $36 for 5,000, or $150 will get you 50,000 credits. The plan I'm on here is a standard yearly subscription. It's only 10 bucks a month practically for the first year. It gets you the two new features of like a pre-SERP score, which I'll show you, as well as their rank tracker for 100 keywords. And that will give you 3,000 credits that renews every month. And then if you want to go crazy, you have this $375 plan, which is the same as this one, except the rank tracker is 500 keywords and you do get 10,000 rolling over credits that roll over every month. So this will expire on November 28th, but there's not a deal on the monthly subscriptions, which is fine. I think getting this yearly one is definitely the way to go. And then this is asking to tell about more like the SERP difficulty score. So instead of reading this, I will show you. So I ran a report for smart home security. I literally just plugged this in and hit go. It gave me, showed the headline here, or I showed what I was going to show you guys first. It gave me 1,700 keywords, and so what I normally do is I like to look at the topics and go through here and find the topics, but what I really like what they did with this SERP difficulty score is they're giving these keywords a rating before they're even analyzed. So what they're doing is, what I'm assuming they're doing is that other users have analyzed each of these keywords that have a score next to them, and the Low Fruits is basically have these keywords in their database. And so whenever else someone like myself runs a report, they can kind of give you idea how difficult this SERP is based on the prior usage users analyzing this keyword. So these difficulty scores are between 1 and 3, 3 being the highest, 1 being the lowest. So since we're looking for Low Fruits here today, we're just going to hit 1 and 1 on the filter, and it's going to give me 23 pre-analyzed keywords or from the past, I should say, that they have some sort of idea on the difficulty. Now you can see where there's two shades of this green here. The darker shade means that this keyword was calculated recently. So as you can see on November 18th of this year, so a couple days ago, this keyword was calculated. But if these lighter shades means that these scores are 2 months old, 2 months or older. So I like how they did that as well. So this is a really cool way just to immediately take a look at your keywords here. So let's go back to see what else they have. They also did, so the second thing they did is that they, by default, since the helpful content update rolled out, by default, they took away forums as a low fruit. So let's go ahead and analyze one of these keywords and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's see. So these are usually easier ones here where it's like connect X to Y. So I'm just going to hit analyze. Okay, so this keyword's being calculated, and in the meantime, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and clear this filter. This will clear out my filter. And then also what I like kind of just a quality of life or system improvement, I should say. Like I said, I'm under the weather, so my brain's not firing. I like how there's an analyze or not analyze right off the top here. And as you've seen in my prior videos, what I've had to do is go into the little drop down and then pick analyze or not analyze. So immediately we can see here, we hit analyze, and we can see that, look at this, changed from a green to a yellow. And it was last calculated right now by me. And here are the weak spots. They found an affiliate blog that has a DA of 16 here as well. So what I also like that they did is that if you hit filters, it now pops up on the side. So you can include forums in here.